Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of classic trucks with the 1935 Ford pickup. Just look at this beauty. The sleek curves, the bold grille, and those timeless fenders. This truck is a symbol of automotive history, and it's easy to see why it's still loved by collectors and enthusiasts today. The 1935 Ford pickup features a steel body, Art Deco styling, and those iconic headlights that make it stand out on any road. It's a true representation of Ford's craftsmanship from the 1930s. Now let's step inside. The interior of a 1935 Ford pickup is simple yet charming. You've got a classic steering wheel, a straightforward dashboard, and those vintage gauges that take you back in time. The bench seat is cozy, and while it may not have modern luxuries, it's all about the experience of driving a piece of history. This truck was built for work, but its timeless design has made a favorite for collectors and restorers alike. Under the hood, the 1935 Ford pickup is powered by a 221 cubic inch Flathead V8 engine, a revolutionary engine for its time. It delivers around 85 horsepower, which was impressive back in the day. While it's not built for speed, it's all about the joy of cruising in a classic. With a 3-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, this truck offers a nostalgic driving experience that modern vehicles just can't replicate. Many 1935 Ford pickups have been restored to their original condition, while others have been customized with modern upgrades like disc brakes, updated suspension, and even modern engines. Whether you're a purist or a fan of retro mods, this truck offers endless possibilities. Now, let's talk about the price. A fully restored 1935 Ford pickup can range anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000, depending on its condition and level of restoration. For a piece of automotive history, it's a worthwhile investment for any classic car enthusiast. So, what do you think about the 1935 Ford pickup? Would you drive this classic beauty, or would you add your own modern twist? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.